And it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to design with the newest Softlex Company design kit, Christmas sweater? This is their holiday design kit, and we will be designing this adorable little earring using Softlex wire and garnet. In the kit, we will just need a headband and a spacer of your choice. They did have some spacers in the kit, but since I'm using gold findings, I just wanted to use a gold spacer. And then some beads from the exclusive bead strand. These are from the Jesse James bead mix. Your 2x2s, a 6 millimeter jump ring, and an earring finding of your choice. And these are super cute. They're fun and festive. They're kind of like a little statement earring. If you don't like larger earrings, these are super comfortable to wear. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will leave an unboxing video link for this fabulous kit, as well as all other inspiration for holiday designs and designing with this design kit. Let's start creating. So we're going to need about 5 inches of our soft wax wire. We'll just set that off to the side. We're going to bring in our little ceramic Santa. I just love them. They're so detailed. Softflex Company has like the best ceramic beads, and they're so adorable, highly detailed, and super good quality. We're going to need an eye pin and our little spacer. So a couple of reasons for this and why I like adding spacers. Sometimes the head pin just looks kind of blah or boring, and you just want to jazz it up or dress it up a little. So with the head pin, sometimes with ceramic beads, since they are handmade or any bead, is when you add it to a piece of wire, sometimes it can fall through, or the head pin's not even, and you don't want to lose your bead. So by adding the little spacer, it just dresses up your head pin and it gives Santa a little place to sit. So we'll do that, and then we're going to make a loop. I will be using my one-step looper, and these are ceramic beads. So you want to be careful not to put it too close to the tool. Want just a little bit of wiggle room. You don't want to damage your Santa. Now we're just going to take our round nose pliers and make sure that the loop is closed. We don't want to lose our Santa. And we're just going to set that off to the side. We're going to bring in our 5 inches of soft wax wire and a couple design options. If you wanted to use the quartz color, or maybe like a metallic, you could braid them together. Just another design option. Add on our beads to our wire. And this is just basic bead stringing. So this design is a lot of basic techniques, but when you bundle them up together, um, no pun intended, when you bundle them together, it just gives you a really cool, unique idea for an earring. And if this is too large for the earrings, you can always use it as a pendant as well. So we'll just add on all the beads. Comment down below what you thought of this fantastic kit. So we have all of our beads. We want them in the middle of our soft flex wire. We're going to bring in two of our 2x2s and our flame. So we're going to slide one on, making sure that your beads are in the middle. And don't worry if some of the beads kind of slide. We're just going to take our plier and just give it a squish. And we're going to go back and round it in just a moment. We're going to slide our beads back to the middle and add on that second 2x2. And that first one is going to act as a bead stopper. It's an optional design step. You could let your beads move freely on the soft flex wire, but I just wanted them stationary. So now we're going to rotate our plier and give it a squish again. This is just going to round our 2x2 and give it a more professional finish. And it also makes it look like just a little bead. Now we're going to add in our last 2x2. Doesn't matter which side of Softflex you add it onto. We're going to take that other side and we're going to do a crisscross. We want to make sure that both sides of our Softflex wire are even. That can be a little tricky. We're going to take one side of our soft flex wire and pass it back through the 2x2. So for the soft flex 2x2s, it will fit 3 of the medium soft flex wires. So we already have 2, and by looping it back through, that's our third time. So we're just going to take a side, we're going to pass it back through, and we're just going to make any adjustments as needed. Want to make sure that our loops are the same for our earring. And then we're just going to double check our size. Then we have our earring. We're just going to take our plier and flatten that 2x2. And we don't have to round it just because of the placement of the loop. Just make sure it's nice and flat. We're going to take our nippers and trim off any extra soft flex wire. Just be careful not to trim the little loops or the connection points. So we have our little component for our earring. We're almost finished. We're just going to bring in our 6 mm jump ring and the earring finding of our choice. So when we open up jump rings, we're just going to twist side to side. We're going to attach our Santa, and then we're just going to attach the jump ring over the 2x2 and that little loop of soft flex we just made. Give it a close. We should hear that little click. We have our cute and adorable, fun and festive earring. Now we're just going to attach our ear wire. So we have our gold finding. With these, you just turn them upside down, similar to a head pin or an eye pin. Make sure that our earring is facing the right way. And we're just going to give it a close. Have fun and festive holiday earrings using the newest Softflex Company design kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other holiday tutorials and designs using this kit. Have an awesome day.